Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is James. I just wanted to come on real quick to share one of my experience today. I'm doing a young lady's taxes, um, and so we need to really, for real, learn how to take out the correct withholdings and how to really fill out the W-4 the correct way. She was pretty mad, and when I got done explaining to her why she was going to receive what she received, she understood at the end of it. So this will be a real short video. So she made $13,221, but her return was only going to be $338. The reason why it was $338 because she would have really not gotten nothing. But because she's qualified for earned income credit, which is called EIC, uh, she was going to walk away with $338 no matter what. So, the way you want to correct your W 2, I like using the 10% rule. So, she had two W 2s, and on one of them, she made $772. Should have had $77.20 withheld from it. Then she had a W 2 for $12,449. She should have had $1,245 withheld off of there. She had no dependents. She's not in school, so she's just working, which which is great for her age. She was 20 years old, but she thought she was walking out with a nice return. What happened is because she's claiming herself as a dependent. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are between the age of 10 to, 18 to 25, it's not good to claim yourself as a dependent at all. But when you're new to doing taxes and working, you need to always claim zero, always. So if she would have took out the correct taxes, she would have walked away with a refund of $1,660. But because she claimed herself as a dependent, because her parent told her, you can claim yourself as a dependent, and when it's tax time, you get more money. Not true. Because she claimed herself as a dependent, then basically with her checks every time she got paid, they didn't withhold taxes. And the first thing she was like, well, they take out taxes. Yes, they took out Medi-Cal, FICA. They take out everything that you can access down the line. But the immediate thing that need to be taken out that you need to pay attention to, if you have FED, stands for Fed, and then if you have the state, you have to look on there to see if taxes are being withheld. If it's not, then when it's tax time, you're going to be very, very upset. And you're going to think somebody done your taxes wrong when that's not the case. Um, been in the tax business for 14 years. I have heard this day in and day out. Well, I pay taxes. You do. But if you're claiming yourself as a dependent, or if you go exempt, do not go exempt for 6 months and come back and go unexempt and you think you're going to get a tax return. The IRS is going to look at it like, hey, we gave you your money throughout your check, so we do not owe you. Um, so remember the 10% rule, which I tell my clients, depending on how much money that they make, 12%. So depending on how much you make, you want to make sure you're taking out the correct amount of taxes, so that way you get something back. So that's it for now. Make sure you please tune in, like, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. And then in the next week, I will be hosting an interview with a young lady. She worked as human resource, and she will show us the correct way of filling out a W-2. Um, a W-4 to make sure it's being filled out the correct way. So until then, everybody have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon. Enjoy your weekend. Goodbye.